so it's been around about 3 months with my personal computer since it's been built and running, so it's time for a clean out. So I'm just going to pull every single thing out and start over again. But I'm also going to put new fans in, take out the old shitty fans and put in some super high performance ones. These are pretty good quality actually. They're cheap, they're about under 20 bucks each, and they have quite a fast, quite a lot of air movement and not too loud. I've already replaced 2 down here, and you can see all the dust there now, so that's not good. We need to get rid of that dust. Usually use a vacuum cleaner, but there's also hair and all sorts on there too. But I'm also going to replace the old fan controller, this one here, which has Molex on the ends. I bought a brand new one that arrived today, so I'll replace a brand new fan controller in it. So I've got 4 fans to put in, 4 new fans to put in. So these are about 20 bucks each. So I'm just going to replace the 2 top fans, 2 of the front ones, with the F12s from Arctic coolant. Right, so here's the inside. Got the HD6950 direct CU2 card, GX650 watt from Cooler Master, the Cooler H20920 CPU cooler, 2 Rode Max fans at the top I'll be replacing, 2 fans there that I've already replaced and just temporary wired them in. 2 DVD players. I'm going to plug the second one in. Sorry, I might move the second one because you only need 1 really, to be honest. But yes, so I need to get this done. So now I've just got to pull everything out. Alright, so here's just some of the stuff here. I just got the new fan controller. It's the same one, but it has 3 pin instead of 4 pin. There's the old one there, there's the direct CU2 card, it's a huge bloody thing. But the 4 old fans, the 4 new fans, I don't know where the new case, oh they're under there. The fan controller Arctic fans, very heavy, and there's a motherboard itself, quite large. It's pretty cool. If anyone could tell me what these are, that would be quite good. It's an 8-pin chip, and most ASUS motherboards have them. I noticed that. I'm just wondering what they are. It could be the op amp, maybe. There's the audio down there. It has lots of capacitors, but it has to travel through quite a lot of I noticed the audio goes around the very outside of the board, so it probably shields quite a lot from EFI. But there's the op amp, I think. Might be something else, but if anyone could tell me, that would be good. Right, I think that's the last time I'm ever buying a non-modular power supply. They are horrible to work with cables and all sorts, but this case is pretty good. It has a quite large area for cables, but this took me about a couple of hours to finish from scratch. So I pulled every single thing out of the case, put everything back in again, and it's looking pretty good. I'm going to put the side back on and I'm going to turn it around. Right, so I've turned it around now. There's the top fans, all in there, all cable managed very well. There's the cooler, 920. There's the 6950, the GX650. There's the hard drives in here. I'm not going to pull them out because it's quite a dumb design how these are. The fan controller up there. All the cables been managed very well actually. I like cable management. I just need to get a modular power supply. New thermal paste applied, and I'm going to restart it up. Okay, so the computer's been installed and everything's being installed and running. It's running fine. All the fans are controllable, all the fans are working. And it is a lot silenter. It is almost completely silent. All you can hear is the GPU fan, and that's it. Everything else is silent, plus the lowest output of these fans is the highest output of these fans. So you've got a hell of a lot more performance. Alright, thanks for watching, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe.